Is your Rivian R1T or R1S displaying a key not detected or open case error? This often indicates a dead key fob battery or a triggered tamper sensor. First, try replacing the CR2032 battery. The Rivian key fob uses a standard 3-volt CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. After replacement, the battery level should increase significantly. If replacing the battery doesn't resolve the issue, especially if you suspect the fob case was opened improperly, the tamper sensor may have been activated. Note: attempting DIY battery replacement voids the warranty. Rivian recommends professional service due to security risks. However, many users have successfully done it themselves, so make sure you do a lot of research before you replace the key fob battery. If you are experiencing this problem, you will be locked out of remote start, entry, and drive functions until reset or replacement of the key fob. While Rivian discourages DIY battery replacement, many owners have had success following community guides. To attempt it, carefully pry open the fob with a plastic tool to avoid damage. Replace the CR32 battery, ensuring the positive side faces up. If successful, you may need a Rivian dealer reset costing $50 to $100, or full fob replacement at $200 or more. Rivian service centers offer free replacements under warranty extensions for pre-2024 vehicles. If you decide to go to an expert at the Rivian Service Center, be aware of the average cost of $150 per hour at dealers, and wait times can be up to 2 weeks in 2025. The trend leans toward DIY EV repairs due to high service costs. Rivian is expected to release a redesigned key fob in 2026 with a user-accessible battery compartment. Digital keys via smartphone apps are also being piloted, potentially phasing out physical fobs by 2030.